Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Srayaseedutube. Happy Durga Puja to everyone. Hope you all are enjoying and staying safe. So today I have created a orange eyeshadow look. So this is a look you can carry if you are wearing any orange sari or orange kurti. So in this Durga Puja or in this Navratri you can carry this look, and this will look very glowy and very beautiful on you. So if you want to see how I've created this orange eyeshadow look, then let's start with the video. So here I'm going to use Wet n Wild Dewy Photo Focus Primer. So before using this primer, I have already prepped my skin with a moisturizer, and then I'm going to use this primer. And here I'm using Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So this is a pretty high coverage foundation. Whenever you're going for any occasions or for any festive look, then definitely you can use this foundation because it will cover your any pigmented, and if you have any acne scars, it will cover pretty good. And now I'm going to use a Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. And here I'm using this concealer in my inner corner of my eyes and my under eye area and all in my highlighted points. And now I'm going to blend this foundation with this damp beauty sponge evenly wherever I have used this concealer. And now I'm going to use Wet n Wild Contour Palette, and here I'm going to take this banana powder and going to set my foundation to have a sweat free look and to have a matte look. With the same banana powder, I'm going to bake my under eye area and my jawlines. And now I'm going to use a Nykaa Eyebrow Definer pencil in the shade Vivid Chestnut. So first I'm going to brush my eyebrows, and then I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil. You can see how edgy this is, so it's very easy to draw an eyebrow with this eyebrow pencil, and it is highly pigmented, so it will give a good color and your eyebrow will look natural. So my eyebrows are done. Now I'm going to set this eyebrow with this powder to have a natural look. And now I'm going to use this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Rosé in the Air. So here I'm going to take this deep orange shade, and here I'm using Pack Fluffy brush and going to blend this eyeshadow from outer corner to the inner corner of my eyes. Very softly I'm blending it. So always give some time in blending so that it will give you a good color payoff. And here I'm using a Lakme eyeshadow palette in the shade Pink Paradise, and here I'm taking a light orange shade, and again I am blending it from outer corner to the inner corner of my eyes. So once blending is done, now I'm going to take this orange shimmer shade, and here I'm using my finger and putting it in the inner corner of my eyes and in my center of my eyelid. And now I'm blending it all together with this Pack Fluffy brush to have a seamless finish. And again I'm taking this light orange eyeshadow shade, and I'm going to use in my lower lash line area. And from this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, I'm taking this deep orange shade and going to use in my lower lash line area. And now I'm going to use this eyelash curler to curl my lashes. After that, I'm going to use a Maybelline Colossal Bold eyeliner in the shade Black. So it has a very easy grip, so you can hold it easily and you can do your wing eyes. So my one side is done, and now I'm going to do my another side. So my eyeliner is done, and now I'm going to use a Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. So it's a very good mascara. It will give volume to your lashes, and your eye will look dramatic. So whenever you're doing a full eyeshadow look, always use mascara. Never ever skip your mascara, because it will give a very bright look in your eyeshadow. So now I'm going to use this kajal. It's a white kajal from Nykaa in the shade Moonlight. So I'm going to use this kajal in my waterline area. So my kajal is done, and now I'm going to take this contour shade from Wet n Wild contour palette, and now I'm going to contour my cheekbones, my jaw lines, and definitely my nose. And here I'm going to use Color Bar blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet. So it's a very good blush. It will give you peachy finish, and your face will look very bright in this. So it's a very highly recommended from my end. If you're looking for a good blush, you can buy this one. And now I'm going to use this Sugar Contour Palette in the shade 01 Subtle Submit. And here I'm going to take this highlighter and going to use it in the inner corner of my eyes. And also I'm going to use this highlighter in the center of my nose. I'm going to use this highlighter in my cheekbone area. And in the upper lips and in my chins, and also I'm going to use this highlighter in my eyebrow bone area. And here I'm going to use Maybelline liquid matte lipstick in the shade Best Baby. So this is a very good pigmented color. So it's a matte, it will give you a matte finish, and whenever you will use these shades, you will not feel that you have used any lipstick on your lips. It is that much light, and it will stay for up to 6 to 7 hours. So it's a pretty good lipstick. So this is my final look. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section whether you want to create this look in future. If you're interested to create this type of eyeshadow look, let me know in the comment section. And if you want to see more eyeshadow look, then also mention in the comment section. I'm going to create more eyeshadow look like this type. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I'll be coming up with more interesting content and more different eyeshadow looks in future. Till then, love you all. Take care. Bye bye.